I'm genuinely pooing myself. Oh, I'm so nervous. Hey guys, it's Millie. Welcome back to my channel. Now, I haven't been on here in like forever and I'm so nervous right now. Like, this is giving me anxiety. I don't really know why I've just pulled my camera out and just decided to film, but I have. But I thought today I would show you how I curl my hair, because I've uploaded quite a few pictures on Instagram now. In pretty much all of them, my hair is in curls. A few people have asked me how I do it, what I use, so I just thought, hey, come on YouTube, make a video. So yeah, today I'm gonna show you how I've been curling my hair recently. There's a boy outside on a scooter. Might shut my window. So before I curl my hair, I always start using my Mythic Oil by L'Oreal Professional. This stuff is literally my holy grail. I use this after I've washed my hair, after I've blow dried my hair, every morning, every time, like before I curl it. This is like my go-to hair product. I use it for absolutely everything. Also protects apparently up to 180 degrees, so I love that. So literally just pop it on my fingers and then just like run it through mid-lengths and ends. Don't put it on your roots because it'll make your whole head greasy as hell. But yeah, just pop it through the ends and it just helps keep the moisture in and protect the hair, just like that. So that is literally all I do with the Mythic Oil. And then usually I use the L'Oreal Technique Pli, but I have none left. So that actually really saddens my life. But because I have really straight, soft, fluffy hair, usually curls don't hold in my hair. So yeah, I have to use the Pli. It is amazing, it's so good. You just pop it in before you curl your hair or straighten it, whatever, and it just reacts with the heat. So it's like a hairspray that works when the heat's on it. So when I curl my hair, I use pin curls. Well, I do it in like I use the pin curl technique. So how I do it is I always start with my top sections and I take a fairly chunky section. Now, lots of people take quite small sections, but I like to take quite a chunky section. I'm going to put my mirror there so I can actually see what I'm doing, because, you know, looking in the viewfinder are not easy. So yeah, I take a section of about that thick. It is quite thick. Just take my hairbrush, brush it through, make it all nice and smooth. And then I grab my curler and I just pop it under and wrap it round. I have some little bangs, so I don't always put them in. If they go in, then I'll leave them in. If they don't go in, then they don't go in. And then I hold it for about 10 seconds. Oh, I forgot to say as well, this is the Mark Hill wand. I just burnt myself, as I always do. This is the Mark Hill wand. These are the pick and mix ones, and they are amazing. I've got the biggest barrel, and I actually got with this with the Mark Hill set in Boots. So with the pick and mix you can get 3 for the price of 2. So I got obviously the handle, which obviously heats everything up. Then I got 2 of the ones, I got 2 of the thickest ones. So yeah, I loved that. So I literally pop a pin in like that. It's quite hard to find these pins, so you can just use normal like Kirby grips. But these ones are just a bit thicker, so it's a bit easier to just slide straight in. You can get them on Amazon or online. They're harder to find in store. I was looking for ages in Boots, but yeah, I couldn't find any in Boots, so I went online and bought them. But you never know, they might be in your Boots or your Superdrug or whatever. And then I literally just do the same all the way round. Bounce it, let it cool a little bit. And the reason why I pop it in pin curls is because if I let the curl out straight away and let it drop straight away, the curl's not actually like, it's not set, it's not like cold, so the heat will still keep it dropping. So yeah, I find for me, with really straight hair and doesn't really hold much of a curl, it works better for me. So if I hold this for 10, you just get, you can't even see where it is, that's how how bad it is. That, which is like nothing. The Mark Hill ones do come with gloves by the way. I'm just an idiot and don't use them. I feel so nervous doing this. Like, I haven't done a video in ages. I miss it so much though. Like, let me know in the comments below like what you've all been up to and how you all are, because I have missed everyone so much. I've had so many messages. Oh, you coming to Sitsy? Blah blah blah. I really hope. I'm hoping to come to Sitsy. Really am hoping. So when you're doing the pin curls, don't worry if they're not looking amazing. Like, I've got some flicky bits. That doesn't matter. The whole kind of reason behind the pin curling is just to keep the curling, if that makes sense. As you can see, I'm still just grabbing sections and pinning it round, curling it and then pinning it round. Maybe I should have probably done this a bit neater, because, you know, doing it on camera, but oh well. I'm real on this channel. I think this is a look, I'm not gonna lie. So literally we go from this to this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and curl the other side, and I'm literally gonna do everything exactly the same as how I did it on this side. So now you can see I've done both sides. Don't really care if it's like, if it looks absolutely amazing. I look weird right now, but I don't care. So basically what I do now is, once like all my hair is curled, yeah, that is curled. Once all my hair is curled, I then just wait for about 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes, and I just leave it like this just to set and just let it cool. So in about 15-20 minutes, I'll be back with you. Okay, so I've left them for about 15-20 minutes now. They're all cool, so I'm just gonna slowly start taking them out. I'm gonna start at the bottom and then work my way up. And then you guys will see what kind of a curl you get from this one, but also from the pin cut. So as you can see, it's definitely like, it's more of like a bouncy curl. Whereas before, when I did it without pin curling it, it just went like pretty much straight. I love this technique as well because it is just so quick and easy. I've been obsessed with this look at the moment, but especially when I'm going out, like, because I can put my pin curls in first and then do my makeup and then put my outfit on, and by the time I've done all that, like, my hair's ready, like, it's all set and it's all ready to come out. So they are all out. I might just give it a nice little ruffle. Now look at that. Like, who would not want this? This is why I'm so obsessed. So yeah, this is how I curl my hair. For everyone who's been asking me on Instagram. And yeah, if you are just curious in general, if you've got really straight hair and you're finding it really difficult to curl it, then please just try this technique because it's like worked so well for me, as you can see. So yeah, it's only a little short one. I just thought I'd come on here and show you all how I'm curling my hair at the moment. So thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video and want to see more, then please go down there and hit the big subscribe button, because I would love to have you in my little amazing family. So yeah, go down, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and comment down below if you've got any questions, if you've got any videos that you want me to do, then yeah, let me know. Also, go and follow me on my socials, they're all linked down below, and yeah, hopefully I will see you guys soon.